Stop carrying bulky tools. Your daily carry needs an upgrade. This is the ultimate compact powerhouse. Meet the stainless steel EDC pry bar, engineered to handle real-world challenges like prying open tough paint cans with ease. It's a precision screwdriver ready for on-the-spot repairs, from tightening furniture to fixing gadgets. Pop open a drink anywhere, anytime, with the integrated heavy-duty bottle opener, built for life's moments. Need to strip a wire on the go? It does that too, with a dedicated notch that gets the job done. With built-in metric and imperial rulers, you have instant measurement capabilities at your fingertips. And when you need real torque, the integrated hex wrenches provide serious leverage for nuts and bolts. This is not just a tool, it's your new essential. If you want smart, tough gear in your pocket, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to PrimePick Studio for more curated tech and click the link in the description to grab your titanium EDC pry bar today. Upgrade your carry, upgrade your life.